Our invention is an injectable gel that accelerates bone repair and simultaneously reduces pain.
One of the unsolved problem that we are looking at is accelerating healing. So in the case of aged population, there is a delayed healing. So in this case, we can promote healing. Also with the aging, you have more pain. So this also mitigate pain, so without interfering with the healing. And most of the analgesics that we have currently in clinic interfere with the healing. So here we have one drug with two functions.
All right, so we have our three component system. One is our drug reservoir component, one is our scaffold component, and one is the solution that makes the scaffold form. So I'm going to combine all three of these together, place them in the syringe, and then you're going to be able to inject that through the syringe itself. So you can see our gel slightly starts to form. And then what's unique about this is once it is injected into the human, it'll continue to form the gel because it follows the human blood clotting cascade.